Okay, so we're in Farmingdale, abandoned airplane hangar.
What's good? I'm the brickheads. Alright, you want to start exploring the other buildings? We've seen enough of this one.
No, yo, there's another one I haven't explored so much. I got so much. So I got a caterpillar.
Yo, Gabe, we're going to start exploring the rest of the buildings. Come on.
Okay. Well, it's a test build, but we're gonna explore the rest of this.
Take a picture of me with this caterpillar on my hand.
I'm filming.
Yo, why did you have an egg? A baby. A baby bird.
Yeah.
Like, that isn't even alive yet. Why'd you have that in your hand during post-snapchat?
Well, what happened was, there was a nest.
Alright, we're going back in the building now.
Little bird pond.
Oh, yeah, I remember.
And it fell into the water, cracked the egg, and went.
Alright, so now we're back in the building. Sketchy window to go through.
Yo, go on top of these lockers. They're sick. Jacko. They're really sturdy.
Artifacts. Don't smash the artifacts. Alright, so right up there, actually. I don't know if you guys can see that. Right up there, there's a squad, but it's like really old, so we're not worried about that. This side.
Yo, I'm gonna try punching both of this, but... Yo! Johnny!
Okay, so there's another room here. Bathroom. And then another room in here. Oh, nice tags.
This feels like it's a real.
Not really. To me, it just seems fun.
Yeah, there's like a lot of
No, like,
brick cooking, guys.
just like look out. Like, this is a crazy dope room.
Look at your ankle, dude.
It like stings, right? Yeah. I learned how to land.
Fucking. The thing is, I don't think they're doing any work today. Like, remember how they were working out in the yard?
Hey, it's Memorial Day weekend, so they're probably not.
Get a marker. Get a marker.
Oh shit.
No, we're not going there. Because now we have to walk this whole building and fucking the moon.
Holy shit, asbestos.
Yo, I can't come into any more of these places without masks. There two died.
Did he really?
Yeah, he did.
Who?
I saw like a rip on yesterday.
Who?
There two.
Really?
Oh, that's you, right?
That's Johnny. This is me. Oh, fuck it.
It's not, it's just gonna ruin it.
I'm not going around. I don't want to squeeze you.
Oh my god, there's like more. Holy shit, nails sticking out of this.
Get back in. Get back in. There are people
So apparently there's like people outside, so we can't like be in this room too long.
driving that truck or not? Is someone driving that truck?
No, I think the truck's driving itself. What if they demolish the shit like while we're in it?
Because this
Yo, we gotta
Old tiny woman's shoe.
keep it.
I'm fucking
No,
hate you.
you just gotta do it.
Yo, they're not even close.
Yeah, they're not even low. They didn't even notice us.
It's all
Those people don't care.
Sometimes it's worse than the skips and jack.
There are people right outside the building. Stop throwing the jack.
Yeah. We're gonna get caught because there's mad fucking noise.
Exactly. And he thinks that truck is being driven. Johnny's 100% right.
And it was mad close. Another room in here. A nice egg. Co, don't run, don't run. Yo, there's so much glass here. Where does it all come from? Everywhere you step, it's just more glass. I think that might have been like a glass roof on here, because it's just all glass everywhere. You good? You good? Right now we're in like the, I guess this is like offices or more storage. Yo, you guys wanna go upstairs? So, we're in the downstairs of it right now. Currently getting upstairs. I think it's because there's just people. We don't want to get the cops called on us, you know? Can't exactly be in here.
Yo, are you videoing?
Yeah, I want to go upstairs though.
Alright, where are the stairs?
They're behind us. There's like a perfectly normal set of stairs though.
There are stairs over here too.
Alright, so we are going upstairs, I guess. This is the exit, right? Yeah, let's go. Yo. Stay out of there.
Yeah, I'm getting it.
Yo, Co, take the light out of my backpack and give it to me. The front pocket, the front
No, I
pocket.
got it.
Only thing I always forget.
Just make sure you point it, because you can't really see anything on camera here. It's in here.
The two things that bother me are people fucking around.
Yeah, let's go in here, let's go in here.
Need to go.
Oh, it's just more shitty bathrooms. Really dusty. Really comes up in the lungs.
What is that? He's got a really big tank.
Where's the sun? Oh shit. Yo. Alright, so I just wanted to take a picture of this. I had to stop recording. Right through here. Yo, Johnny's right. It says Zen right there. More glass in here too. Alright. Perfectly normal staircase. Never seen anything. Coach, I don't light. I'm gonna take my light out. Hold my camera. It's recording. So
No, wait.
I'm gonna stop recording. Okay, so apparently there's more. We just came from all the way down there. Now we're coming up on this. Another outdoor area, looks like. Well, at least it used to be indoors, but not anymore. Oh my goodness. Holy shit, this place is giant. That's outside where we were before, I think. It's no good, it's all rusty and shit. People. They're on this side right here. That's where those trucks were. Yo, get out of here. Get out of here. Co, get out of here. The trucks are right there. That spot we ran from before.
Yo, look,
It's
Domo
right here.
actually got Benny. He does like his script Domo.
I doubt that was him.
That's Domo.
Where?
It says
Yeah, but I
Domo.
doubt he did it.
Where?
Why would somebody else write Domo?
I don't think that says Domo.
Yes, it does.
It obviously says Domo. There's no question about that. She's like, I don't think he did it.
It obviously says Domo.
That's old then. Because I've seen like his fresh tags and they're stupid. Call it. That literally looks like it's about to fall through.
Co, don't go.
Look at the ceiling and tell me if you're gonna climb in there.
Yeah.
Look at that ceiling. It's literally caving in.
Yo, now
That's gonna make it fall if you
Yeah,
don't hit it.
That's what I said. Let's see if it falls.
Nayo is here. What?
Oh, it's actually man nice. Yo, see, look what I mean. You see the accents on the see the accents on that? Same as the Domo.
Stop screaming.
The circle and the two lines.
Yeah, that's.
He wouldn't. Oh,
That's not accent.
Another one.
That's like a type of paint.
let's go upstairs now.
Cat. The fuck is cat?
Good luck.
What?
How bad is it? There's missing like 3 stairs, but there's like a bunch of staircases. Let's go.
Good luck. Good luck.
There's literally no stairs. My goodness. Coach, shine a light on that. There's not even stairs. Oh. Looks like we're not going up that way.
No, it's not.
The room's big too. No, but that's not Domo. Narf. Domo. He would, but not in my way.
He didn't even bring us back. Kyle, we could easily get up this staircase. I'm going up.
No, I'm going up this one.
It's not that bad. The staircase isn't bad at all.
No, I'm going up this
Do you see this? It doesn't look bad.
Go up.
Who saw this one? Because we said that
Go,
we were
go.
leaving and you guys just wanted to chill there. We weren't just chilling. We were looking.
Now upstairs is bad.
Yeah, but I still want to get it. It's not that bad. These stairs would have collapsed.
Yeah. No, seriously, look. Look at this shit.
Oh, that's nasty. That's like 3 feet of just dirt.
Go.
No, it's not worth it, Marco. I could easily just push the ceiling right through.
Alright, I'm going over here.
Falling is ever below.
The stairs. The second floor is so bad.
Gabe's up. Gabe's up.
Yeah, Gabe, why not?
Sick, there's not even a staircase.
Yo, don't come up here.
Yeah, only one at a time. Matter of fact, I'm about to go down to the other staircase over there. I found a green light. Me and Marco did.
Yeah. Yo, Gabe.
Wow, a green light. Cool, there's another staircase over here. You want to try going this way? And see if it's as bad? Straight down this hallway, like by the entrance, there's a staircase. Go straight. All the way down this hallway, there's a staircase. That did not seem bad. It seemed even better than the other one. What the hell? There's like a Home Depot cart. Did you just find that?
Yep.
Oh, that's so nasty.
I should have told Gabe to drink it. Fuck.
He would have. You know he fucking would have. Is that you?
What? That, no.
Kyle, right here.
I know where this is.
I'm going on. Oh, yo, no, actually. Look at the top. It's like caving through. No way he went this way.
Yeah, the gate walk.
Let's go this way. Go this way, Johnny.
Yeah, he walked all
He
the way
fell
across.
6 times. Yeah.
Kid's fucking crazy. There's like an air show going on, so if the audio's fucked up, my bad. I have a stomachache from eating that stupid fucking dog treat. Stupidest idea ever. That's where we just were. On the other side.
64.
Domo.
Down. Fuck it.
Yo, don't shake paint around like that.
The edges, yeah, I agree. Just look how big this is.
Whoa!
This place is literally huge. Like, most of the ceilings have already like fallen down.